So in today's class we are going to do English grammar based on the simple past tense. So we are going to see what is the simple past tense. Along with that we are going to solve one exercise. Okay. So now let us see what is the simple past tenses. The simple past tense is used to indicate that an action has been completed in the past. First example is Simran showed. Showed is a it is indicating the an action that has been completed in the past. Showed is a simple past tense. Okay, Simran showed me her birthday gifts. I thought of giving away my old shoes. Thought is a simple past tense. Third example is the old man cut pieces of leather in half. So cut is a simple past tense. So now what you'll have to do is filling the blanks with the simple past tense of the verb in brackets to find out uh, what Suman did on Sunday. So basically there will be two paragraphs. Okay. So first paragraph will be this. Okay. You all can take down the question filling the blanks with the simple past tense of the verbs in bracket to find out what Suman did on Sunday. Suman, okay, dash, here rise is given, okay, what will come? Suman rose at 8 in the morning on Sunday, okay. So what is there? Suman rose at 8 in the morning on Sunday. She dash her teeth. Here brush is given, here simple past tense will be brushed, okay. So she brushed her teeth and dash wash is there. So what is going to come? Washed, right? Washed her face. She dash a glass of milk, drink. So here drank will come, okay? So drank, she drank a glass of milk and dash ate one chapati. So simple past tense will be ate, okay? A-T-E. So, and ate one chapati, okay. Then she dash to the swimming pool. Then she went to the swimming pool, okay. Went to the swimming pool. Go is there. What is the simple present tense? Sorry, simple past tense will be went, okay. Now she dash swim for about half an hour, okay. So she swam for about half an hour. So I can take down this simple past tense. This is the first paragraph. Now moving towards the second paragraph. I hope you all have understood the first paragraph. Okay. Now let us move towards the second paragraph. Now second paragraph will be this. And about 10, Suman dash take her dog Moti for a walk. So what will come? Take will be took, right? So at about 10, Suman took her dog Moti for a walk. She dashed by about 1 o'clock. Return is there, so she returned, right? So she returned by about 1 o'clock just in time for lunch. After lunch, she dashed. Here read is there, so here read will be there, right? So she read a storybook for about an hour. Her friend Sally come to spend the afternoon with her. The two dash plays there. So played will be there, right? So the two played snakes and ladder. After dinner, Suman watch is there. So here watched will be there, right? So Suman watched some TV. Then she went to her bedroom and dash sleep. So here slept will be there. Okay. So then she went to her bedroom and slept. Okay. So this is the second paragraph which I have completed. Okay. I hope you all have understood the simple past tense. Okay. And thanks for watching.